Hello people of YouTube, I'm back again and I have a box from Atlas that has some stuff in it. Let's go to the workbench and take a look. Alright, so here's what came N scale in the box. It's a 3-pack of Norfolk Southern G86R Top Gun gondolas. Now what these are hoppers that were basically rebuilt by NS for coal. These come in various numbers, and there's also an undecorated version of this car. The singles are $27.95. This 3-pack is $83.85, and they also have two 6-packs that are $167 and 70 cents a piece, all different numbers. So you can fill up a unit train pretty fast with these, and they look pretty good, at least from out here looking into the box. Let's open them up and take a look at them out of the box. Alright, so here they are on tracks, and I've just finished examining one of these under my extreme magnification visor, and I have to tell you, the paint on these is really good and the markings are very, very clean. You can read everything on this model. Alright, so here's what I'm talking about. If you look here, and on each side of these ribs, there's very finely rendered rivet detail. And take a look at the printing there. There's no gaps in that. It's very nice and very well done. The paint coverage is also super good. Everything's legible. Looking at the end here, that is a separately applied brake wheel. And the brake platform there is a piece of etched metal separately applied. So it's nice fine detailing for N scale. And once again, the writing on the end also legible. Very nice. If you look in there, you can see it has a bunch of brake detail. See the air reservoir right there? This is very fine detail for N scale. Tell you something, man, the new N scale stuff that's coming out is really finely detailed. I mean, this could be an HO scale model. That's how nice it is. Taking a look at the bottom, again, lots of nice rivet detail down there. Very cool. And finally, here's something they didn't really have to do, except I guess if you're going to run these empty, bracing detail on the inside. That's pretty cool. So as you can see, it's a pretty solid release from Atlas. You can get these in singles, triples, or 6-packs. They look nice. They're well detailed. Good paint, good couplers. Everything's good. Join me next week when we take a look at some of the HO scale stuff on a product spotlight.